Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This is another version of Amrit Kirtan application, just as I explained in a previous video, which will be linked below. But as we discussed, the Amrit Kirtan shows many Shabads sung for Kirtan either by letter or by category. The other application did not have a way to see the Shabads by letter, which this one does. This application was published by Khalis Foundation. It is a lot more recent, so we can go see, if we click on About This Application, it shows us that this was actually published back in 2008. It is also a simple, lightweight app. Now keep in mind, this app isn't made to search Shabads like a Sikhi to the Max or Ai Gurbani type of app would be. This is to have a digital version of the Amrit Kirtan Pothi, which let you find Shabads by letter. So in this case, I can press on Jajja, and all the Shabads starting with Jajja show up as if they were in the Amrit Kirtan. So you can quickly find a Shabad by letter if you know the order, and you can see how it's kind of alphabetical. Once you click on a Shabad, you can see in Gurmukhi as well as the English translation. And one of the things that makes this application better than the previous one that I showed in the other video is the huge list of settings which are often available in many other Khalis apps. So if you use the Sundar Gutka or other Khalis apps, you'll find this interface familiar, where you can change the size of the font, which font you want to use, whether you want to see Roman, English translations, day mode or night mode, so that's light or dark, excuse me, or if you want to show or hide the status bar so there's no distractions, it can have auto scroll, keep the screen awake, show it in Ladivar, etc. So this has a lot more settings in that sense. So now I have the Roman version showing. I also have Ladivar mode on, and I have the day view, which is light background. So you can find the Shabads with transliteration like this, and you can also find the Shabads by chapter, just like we saw in the previous app. So in this case, I'm going to turn Romanize off. That's useful for those in case they can't read Gurmukhi or can't read Punjabi. If you can, you have the same sections here again as the other application, the same groups, Upma Jatna Kahi Mere Prabh Ki, and then the Shabads related to that, just like they are in the Amrit Kirtan. So this is, again, a simple, lightweight application. If you are doing Kirtan, you can find these Shabads that are related and use that for inspiration, instead of having Amrit Kirtan Pothi, keeping it that on their harmonium. So this is just another version. This is newer and will work on newer devices. It has a little bit more of a modern, updated layout and design. Again, if you want to actually search Shabads by letter or get many other features, I will suggest and recommend some other applications, such as Sikhi to the Max or Ai Gurbani, which I will be reviewing in separate videos. Again, this is Amrit Kirtan on the Android platform on the Google Play Store. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.